Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the Magento 2 module overview. So module is basically a logical group that is a directory containing blocks, controller, helpers and models, right? Basically if I go to my Magento, any of the Magento and project app code, so here we have the module. This is basically called a module, and module, what it is, a logical group that is a directory containing directory. What type of it contains, that is called blocks, containers, search block, containers, etc, model, view, helpers, service contracts, customer data sections, so API. So this kind of things are containing the module, which makes like specific one, right? So how we are, first step is how to register a module, how Magento knows that this module comes and we have to register it. So how to register modules using the registration.php. So if you want a simple module, then you have to refer to as a module. If I go to any registration.php, if you say that component registrar is basically a module, here we have mentioned the module, that is a different one. And if you want to register this is module, if you want to register language packs, you have to mention the language. If you want to register themes, you have to mention the theme, correct? So this type of registration that you have to turn in terms of different things. So themes for theme, and languages, you need to pass the language, right? Also you can do it via autoload composer.json file to register with that one also. So how registration if you add registration.php, then how it looks the things. So first of all, it will go and check the CLI commands.php, then then this then these things, they are going to following up when we have add the registration.php. Okay, so registration.php load flow is basically, it will check with the pub index.php, bootstrap.php, autoload.php, vendor module, all the module in the registration.php, it will look into it. So this is the basically the load flow, how it will go and check the things when we add the registration.php. After, what is module limitations? So one module is responsible for the one feature, correct? And module is dependencies on other modules must be declared explicitly. Excluding or disabling a module should not be disable the another module. If you you know that if you disable one module, that doesn't disrupt the functionality of the another module, so it is independent module. And the limitation is that if someone has already override that class, and and you are trying to do the again the same thing, so you need to take care of that, like how to modify it and use it. Okay, so this is basically the tutorial on major overview of about the registration, how to register a module. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video, we are going to learn about the directory structure, what each file belongs to and what each file does. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.